Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa and in this video I will be showing a product from IKEA which is clearly mentioned here. It's STÖRTSKÖN, so STORTSKON, STÖRTSKÖN. This is a scented candle. So when you are going to IKEA to find a candle which is scented, right? So it is very difficult to find a product and which is having a very good smell. You will find all the scented candles will have very good smell, right? Good aroma, but it is difficult to figure out which candle will have the best aroma, which candle will have the highest burning time. So it has around 40 hours of burning time, and you see there's a glass material provided here. So the product name is STÖRTSKÖN and the product type is scented candle in a glass. The burning time is 40 hours, diameter is 8 cm and height is 8.5 cm. The MRP is 523 rupees. However, we got it for around 300 rupees, around 299 rupees, which is approximately $4. So let's open this. So this is a blueberry product and I'll tell you what type of smell it is. Is it mentioned here? So if you like the blueberry related smell, so blueberry and then strawberry mix type of scent you will get out of this. Okay, so let me open it and then we will try to burn it today. Okay guys, whenever you go IKEA, do not get confused with the type of candle that you will buy. If you want a scented candle, go ahead and purchase this product. Okay, whenever you see this type of color on your candle, make sure that you are purchasing. I mean, you will definitely be very sure that you are purchasing a good candle. Okay, yes, very good aroma. And then so it will have a 40 hours of burning time, so you can definitely use it for, if you want to use it at the night time, you can definitely use it for 4-5 days continuously, right? So possible. So close this with this particular cap. They have already provided a cap. Close it with this whenever you are not using it. Okay, I'll put the purchase link on the description section. If you like it, definitely go ahead and purchase it. And as from my review, the scent is very good. Okay, very good, and it will definitely put you in a very good mood. Okay, so yeah, trust me on that. So and then purchase link will be on the description section. If you like this, do hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, just put that in the comment section. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. And then subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you guys and thanks for watching. Take care.